I'm staring in your eyes. Staring his thighs. Gotta be setting this vibe. Listen,
yeah, I'm gonna put it just after her.
Walk through like MJ.
So like that.
Yeah.
Okay, that. Okay.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. Yo, on the first sip, I'm planning to set trips in the friend zone where we having the best drinks. By the next sip, I'm starting to test if you invested. Slowly I'm climbing your fences. By the third sip, you find that you can't speak. Fumbling your words with the wine in your wet lips. By the fourth sip, I'm drowning your senses. You're defenseless, no way around it, no exit.
Let's
check.
Don't actually talk everywhere. I don't do the word you baby.
Let's listen.
Yo, for the first sip, I'm planning to set trips in the friend zone where we having the best drinks. By the next sip, I'm starting to test if you invested. Slowly I'm climbing your fences.
Good.
So I think, should I put more energy?
No, it's good. I like it.
You sure?
Yeah, I like it. But you can do more energy and really compare. Huh? Really compare it to make sure to see what.
Let me finish this tempo first. Let me finish it. I don't actually talk again. If you loop am.
Nah, bro.
Because she's talking now when I don't do the last. You need to talk.
Wait, though. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm ready. You can go.
Fourth sip, I'm drowning your senses. You're defenseless, no way around it, no exit. I'll take you upstairs without using the staircase. Liquid content that you're swimming like mermaids. Data processing, you're willing to press play. Since the first date, now we be hitting the airwaves. Make it confess what you usually can't say. And we've been needing some first date, what up? Hey, good, he pass. You hear me? Pass, like that.
Yeah.
Now let's do another take.
Of that same spot? Another take of that same spot? Or
no, the whole thing now.
Huh? The whole thing?
The whole thing, yes. Different.
But that's the whole. That's the whole. That's finished.
That's the whole
okay. Alright. Cool. So I'm gonna mute the other one.
Master Splinter.
Alright,
let's go. Yo. From the first sip, I'm planning to set trips in the friend zone where we having the best drinks. By the next sip, I'm starting to test if you invested. Slowly I'm climbing your fences. By the third sip.
Okay, let's check.
Yo. From the first sip, I'm planning to set trips in the friend zone where we having the best drinks. By the next sip, I'm starting to test if you invested. Slowly I'm climbing your fences. By the third sip, you find that you can't speak. Fumbling your words with the wine on your wet lips. By the fourth sip,
I had you at the doorway before I knew yes.
Let me see.
Yo. Sip, I'm starting to test if you invested. Slowly I'm climbing your fences. By the third sip, you find that you can't speak. Fumbling your words with the wine on your wet lips. By the fourth sip, I'm drowning your senses. You're defenseless, no way around it, no exit. I'll take you upstairs without using the staircase. Liquid contact that you're swimming like mermaids. Data processing, you're willing to. First date, now we be hitting the airwaves. Make you confess what you usually can't say. Screaming, Lord, yes. First sip, I'm planning to set trips and the friend having the best drinks. But
yeah, the last one is better because I like the energy. I like the energy on it. So now you have to do the back or add this as those woo. Now those shake your.
Oh, instead of the rhyme emphasis.
You can also do the rhyme emphasis.
So let's do rhyme emphasis. Sharp now.
Alright, cool.
Then I'll move to. But we having the best drinks. By the next sip, I'm starting to test if you invested. Slowly I'm climbing your fences. By the third sip, you find.
You want that one first?
Anyone you want? Yes. Since you don't put down no wala.
Alright, cool.
That's what we meant.
Back to everybody.
H to the I. Hey, sugar pie.
Let's
go. The kind of word that matters. It's more small because I'm very important song.
Alright, cool.
Don't pass me by. Don't pass me by. Yo. H to the I. Hey, sugar pie. This were the kind of words I plan to say to this dime. But my lips were incorporating in time. I totally full stiff when I gazed in the eyes. She kinda smiled and she said, hey Tony, hi. I couldn't even find a single way to reply. Started stuttering, shaking and shy. She's like, I got a class, getting late, gotta skate, see you bye. The plan to say. Small, because my very important song. Don't pass me by, don't pass me by. Yo. H to the I, pay sugar pie. Those were the kind of words I plan to say to this dime. But my lips were incorporating in time. I totally feel stiff.
I like it. What do you think? What do you think? I like it though.
Alright, let's continue.
Alright, cool.
To reply, started stuttering, shaking and shy. She's like, I got a class, getting late, gotta skate, see you bye. My friends busting the laughter, they constantly talk to me after. For real, you're totally daft, bro. They even started calling me wanker. The minute I started in school, everybody started go ha ha. To reply, started stuttering, shaking and shy. She's like, I got a class, getting late, gotta skate, see you bye. My friends busting the laughter, they constantly talk to me after. For real, you're totally daft, bro. They even started calling me wanker. The minute I started in school, everybody started go ha ha.
I think you can do that one better.
Sure.
Try again, just so
My
I can.
backup sounds though, so it's no way I can. You see those backup must be there.
Yeah. Okay,
So you want me to do my part, so I just do the backup?
No, go, keep going.
The minute I spotted in school, everybody started go ha ha. The minute I spotted in school, everybody started go ha ha. Super embarrassed, told mom I wanna change schools. We can't do that. Explain, let me understand you. Couldn't tell it. Nah, sorry. The minute I spotted in school.
I think it's somewhere here.
I can put the fake part of the chorus.
Second verse.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
Well, where is it?
Okay.
Is that the second verse?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. I think so.
Cause
Is
that the second verse?
I don't know, man. Shit.
Okay, do your hook. Let me see.
Let me do the fake chorus. Fake chorus, so you can remove out.
Yeah.
Couldn't tell her what it's really about, so I said, don't worry, mom, I'll figure it out. Don't pass me by. Don't pass me by.
Okay.
I don't even know whether I catch the bar as well. But what's in the album? What do you see?
Nothing they have.
I don't think they are, my guy.
Okay, let's go.
I had to come clean, there wasn't any other way. Told her I lost the bet to my friends, the punishment was my lines. As I drew closer, she laughed really hard, it drew water from my eye.
Wait, something happened.
Hey, waiting the happen now.
My.
Now my leg touch something. I'll be waiting happen, I'll be really touch something.
Oh no, my. This stuff is.
I better say contrast.
Yeah, they say everything is safe, just like my preamp stopped working.
I inject it in Jesus' name. Holy Ghost fire.
Thank God.
Holy Ghost fire. How your console will like this?
Wait, what happened? I just.
Song they change life. It didn't happen.
Oh, I think maybe here. I'll unplug something here. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I did.
Shit, you did, man.
There we go.
Nigga, what's going on with you, man?
Bro.
You trying to kill this?
Why is this shit not
Mixer! On the mixer!
Alright, cool. Let's go. I'm ready.
Lost the bet to my friends, the punishment was trying to toast her. Forgot my lines as I drew closer. She laughed really hard, it drew water from my eyes. So that she was looking fly, it got her brother shy.
So what happened
Nah,
after?
the next verse. Don't go back to school again.
Where's the hook? There's no hook? Because, bro, this beat is over.
So loop on now.
What do you mean loop am?
Loop. You know,
Bro,
loop
what
a fiasco.
do you mean loop?
Loop on, this is not a hit song. Now film this so. Man, if you know this not a film, complete film this.
This guy,
Me.
God.
I don't be just rapper. I don't
Loop
just
am,
come
loop
talk.
am, loop am, loop am.
Drugs. Woman. I don't be that kind of rapper. Me, I be
Loop am.
I be brain rapper.
Welcome, Papa. Loop am.
The heart that said, see you love, good night. Damn. Don't pass me by. Who wasn't used to? Some students tried calling me loser. To the next time I saw her in public, I swear I was smooth shot. They started with that. Sorry, I'll do that again. The heart is chill. Don't pass me by. The next time I saw her in public, again I was smooth shot. Or told them the next time I saw her in public, I swear I was smooth shot.
I don't know.
I swear it's too aggressive. It's more African. Again, it's better.
Alright, you ready?
My deal, I say you know hear me.
Yeah, let me know when you are
Wait
ready.
till I find my kuso. My kuso no gree come out again. I'm with a true star, walking with a swagger that the school wasn't used to. So students tried calling me loser. Told them the next time I saw her in public, again I was smooth shot.
You ready?
Where do we stop now? Weekdays.
It's a new verse now.
Alright, it's not a new first. Let's continue.
Huh?
Let's
You
finish.
said verses keep going?
Yes, let's finish.
What do you mean?
Let's finish, man.
You said it's a new verse?
No,
So you keep going?
it's the same verse, yeah.
Hey, this guy.
Let's go. This is storytelling. My guy, this is not any rap. This is storytelling, bro.
This guy,
you don't break a story for nobody.
Alright, so keep going.
What I'm trying to say is you're awesome. I really want someone like you to brighten my weekdays. You spoke like a pro with a lot of confidence. Then I pulled out a rose and a box of chocolate from one that stole from Pop. Sorry. What I'm trying to say is you're awesome. I really want someone like you to brighten my weekdays. I spoke like a pro with a lot of confidence. Then I have to do that. The bounce is different, man. Fuck. It's almost done. They laugh me.
Go.
What I'm trying to say is you're awesome. I really want someone like you to brighten my weekdays. Sorry. What I'm trying to say is you're awesome. I really want someone like you to brighten my weekdays. I spoke like a pro with a lot of confidence. Then I pulled out a rose and a box of chocolate from one that stole from Pops. Shit. What I'm trying to say is you're storytelling, bro. It's not regular music.
I don't care about storytelling.
Storytelling, nigga.
I don't care about that. Yo, stop it! I don't care about storytelling.
Storytelling, that's the shit.
You don't follow the rules. You just go by the
So, I film with this. It's not be music video. Now, I did not be music.
Listen, so this is your thing.
Couldn't tell her what it's really about, so I said, don't worry, mom, I'll figure it out. She's just a thing. No. Sweet Valentine. Been I wanted to get used to it. Couldn't tell her what it's really about, so I said, don't worry, mom, I'll figure it out. So I can't get what I need. I'm tired of coping with the stress, feeling lonely and depressed. Every morning I'm upset, busy strolling and just vexed. Smoking on cigarettes, cause I'm knowing I'm possessed. So malnourished, you could see my bones poking from my flesh. Don't care how I look, it's been ages since I took a shower. Tired of booze only making me to I can't sleep, I can't eat, heart skipping a beat. My hands itching for this, but I can't cease and desist. I wanna get up, but I'm feeling shower.
So from there,
don't care how I look, Just as I took a shower. No, before that, don't care how I look. Nourished, you could see my bones poking from my flesh. Don't care how I look, it's been 8. Nourished, you could see my bones poking from my flesh. Don't care how I look, it's been ages since I took a shower. Tired of booze only making me to puke for hours. By the time I use it, sorry, let me take it again. Nourished, you could see my bones poking from my flesh. Don't care how I look, it's been ages since I took a shower. Tired of booze only making me to puke for hours. But my ceiling, no, I'm seeing the demons.
Do you want to do the whole thing or just that part? You missed.
The whole powers feel like I could grab a moose by the hooves and make it cower. I'm living life without meaning, need to fight for my freedom. Using pipes for my healing, sometimes I strike with a syringe. Deep at night while I'm sleeping, wondering why I'm not. Powers feel like I could grab a moose by the hooves and make it cower. I'm living life without meaning, need to fight for my freedom. Using pipes for my healing. Sorry, I missed the lines. Shit. I'll do it again. Suddenly I'm quite alone. R.I.P. to Mac Miller, Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston. That thing we put down for the first and second. That thing we do now. This one we just do. Copy and for that first and second.
First here and second here?
Yes. Because it's better than the one we did there.
I don't need to mix this one. You just need the stems?
I'll need somebody else to work on it.
So you just need the stems?
I just need the stems.
What about the other one?
Both of them.
Both of them. Okay, good then.
Don't need to me.
Alright, cool.